Wangedigala isn't just a hike. It's a journey into the soul of Sri Lanka. From stunning landscapes to the warm hospitality of locals, this experience perfectly blends adventure, nature, and culture. Whether you're here for a day or a weekend, Wangedigala promises memories that last a lifetime. Located in the charming village of Belihuloya, Wangedigala is easily accessible. From Colombo, it's a 4-hour drive, or hop on a bus bound for Badula and get off at Kalupahana. For those staying in Ella, it's a short 1.5-hour drive. Private cars or tuk-tuks are great options if you prefer flexibility. Start your hike early in the morning to enjoy cooler weather and stunning views. The trailhead is just a few kilometers from the iconic Bambarakanda Falls, the tallest waterfall in Sri Lanka. Begin your hike here, following the marked trail through lush greenery. Keep an eye out for locals who are always happy to guide you if needed. Remember, sturdy shoes, water, and a sense of adventure are your best companions. Just a few minutes into the hike, nature welcomes you with this crystal-clear stream. Flowing straight from the hills, it's a refreshing pit stop for hikers. Take a moment to fill your bottle, or simply enjoy the soothing sound of flowing water. It's nature's way of saying, you're on the right path. As you ascend, the trail transforms, past rocky outcrops, with each turn unveiling panoramic views of the Central Highlands. Midway, you'll spot the shimmering Samanalawewa Reservoir in the distance, an excellent spot for photos. The hike is moderate, suitable for both experienced trekkers and enthusiastic beginners. After about 2-3 hours of hiking, you'll reach the summit, a vast open plateau offering 360-degree views. From here, marvel at the surrounding peaks and valleys, including the majestic Adams Peak on a clear day. For those seeking a full experience, bring camping gear and spend the night under the stars. As night falls, Wangedigala offers a mesmerizing gift, the Milky Way in all its splendor. Under these unpolluted skies, the stars shine brighter, making this a paradise for stargazers and astrophotographers alike. The sunrise here is pure magic. From the summit of Wangedigala, the landscape opens up to reveal one of Sri Lanka's most iconic treasures, Bambarakanda Falls. Plunging gracefully at over 260 meters, it's the tallest waterfall in the country, framed by lush green hills and misty skies. Watching this majestic cascade from above feels like peeking into nature's masterpiece, reminding you why Sri Lanka is a paradise like no other. At the very start of the trail, you'll find a designated garbage bin. It's the perfect spot to dispose of any waste, both before and after your hike. Remember, Wangedigala's beauty thrives when we all play our part. Let's keep this trail pristine for future adventurers. Lastly, make sure to support local communities by hiring guides or purchasing fresh produce in Belihuloya. It's a small way to give back while enriching your journey. Until next time, keep exploring and remember, Sri Lanka always has more to offer. See you on the next trail.